Hi, in this video, I am going to understand how I can use a path variable, path object as a string. So, in most cases, we require the path object as a string for specify the path of the file and perform any operation on a file. So now let's see how I can get the path object in a string. So first I create the path instance, path get. I add here parent and one file demo.java, and it is a path I want to in a string. So let's see how I can get. First need to one string variable path str, and here just need to path to string. Now let's see what is actual output. For that I add one SOP and print out this path str. I run this program and verify. Now here we can see that all that demo.java and its path is we can get in a string. So this way we can get the path object as a string in Java.